Beautiful sunny day today, and I'm thinking about taking a break from my work and my workflow because today I don't feel creative at all, so I'm thinking about going out a little bit. And that is not the first time that I don't feel creative at all, so I want to give you some advices on how can you bring back your creativity and start creating again. And the first thing, as you can tell, is to actually take breaks. That's a crucial point when you are burned out or when you don't feel creative at all. Do something else. Disconnect your mind from what you're doing and from design in general. And you will see that later on you will come back to your project and you will see it in a different way, in a different perspective. And you cannot imagine how this only one thing was helpful to me. And yeah, every time I didn't know what to do or where to take inspiration from, I took breaks. And I know that perhaps for a lot of you it might be a bad idea because you don't want to delay your projects, your delivery time. But I 100% prefer to delay my projects and my delivery time instead of by 1 or 2 days instead of delivering content that I don't like or designs that are not perfectly good. I'm checking my one wheel battery because I don't want to walk home, so let's see, less than 50%. That's not bad. Another advice is that you need to make sure to work on multiple projects at the same time because you can easily bounce between them and use some ideas from one project to another, and that allows you to make your ideas flow. And I don't necessarily mean that you need to take multiple client projects, but you can take one client project and then do a personal project. So in that way, it's not that hard. You don't have a lot of work to do because it doesn't matter if you finish your your personal project or when you finish it. The important thing is that you don't focus on only one thing, but that you do multiple things at the same time. And if you still don't feel creative at this point, the only thing that remains is to copy. Why not? And don't get me wrong, I don't actually mean to copy the other designers' work and put their works into your client project. But what I mean by that is that you need to maybe recreate their designs into a personal project and start understanding their workflows and their thinking about maybe a design, how they place the text, how they use the texture, and all this kind of stuff that allows you to make your process much easier. For example, what I do is I go on Instagram, I take some concepts from other designers, I recreate them in Figma or in whatever software you use, you can do the same. Then I start thinking about the motivation behind a text placement, an image placement, a texture, and start thinking about why they've done certain things in a certain way. So for example, these are two concepts that I've done when I felt not creative at all, and yeah, they turned out pretty well. I'm proud of the result. And on social media they've done pretty well too. So, and how I came up with them when I felt not creative at all, well, basically I've done what I told you. I took a break, I took inspiration from other designers, and yeah, that's the result. And there are a lot of other ways to start creating again, even if you don't feel creative at all. Every person is different and every person does things in a different way, and that's basically the beauty of creative people, of the creative world. It's getting late right now, so yeah, that is all for me, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel because it's free. Let me know in the comments down below if you have other ways to get creative again, and I'll see you in the next video.